Yay, all right, do it again. Finn, what is that?
Yeah.
What, did you hurt your finger?
Yeah.
I thought I heard it crack. Which one?
Oh, this one.
Which one? Okay, here, show mommy. Which one?
It's the spider.
Is this one? I thought it was the other hand. Is it that one? I'll guess both just for good measure. Okay, what is that?
Yeah.
What is that called? What is that big monstrosity in our living room called? Is that our fort? I like to hear him say it. He says flirt.
Floor.
What is it?
A floor.
A flirt.
Is it down?
Is it fun?
It's down.
What is it called again?
I can go down. I can go under.
Crawl under? Okay, here he comes. Oh, go under. Go under. Here he comes. Yay! There he is. Peekaboo. Is that our fort? Uh-oh. You're gonna get stuck that way. You gotta crawl, buddy. Peekaboo. Where's Finn? Sit down. Okay, crawl. There you get stuck. There he is. Our fort.
Where is it?
I gotta fix it. Okay.
He's gotta fix it.
Yeah, gotta fix it. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.